Hey guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and as you can see here, I am wearing the beautiful scarf. This is an Achillea fuchsia scarf that I think is so nice to have in my closet. I love the color. It's pink, it's vibrant, it's a nice fuchsia color, so you can definitely mix it with so many other colors in your closet. I love the product as well because it's such good material. I haven't had any issues with it wearing out or stringing or anything like that. It's just so soft and cozy, and it's so practical because I can use it around my neck as you saw, but because of the size and the width, I can also use it as a beautiful wrap like this. So look at that. You can also see that nice sheen there. Wear it over a dress to make it look so stylish and elegant. I have really loved using this one. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a good quality scarf, and that's my point of view.